see my food okay? Yes, I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to lean forward because I'm sitting in my bed trying to do this mukbang. So, matter of fact, this is banana pudding that I made. So, let me lean in like this. Just all right. I hope that took. Anyway, I have some chicken tenders from Raising Cain with some toast, of course, some fries, and coleslaw. Some cream cheese banana pudding that I made. So how have you people been? Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Anyway, I ordered something I'm gonna say pretty much like 2 outfits from Cain. And they just came in today, so I'm so excited about this. I might do a try on haul in this video. Got my Raising Cain sauce. Yeah, I love Raising Cain. I love this sauce. I got the sweet tea. So on this video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys I got another car. I'm gonna thank God for this car. Thank you, Jesus. I'm really, really thankful. I've been driving and trying to get used to it and wrap my head around it. So I'm excited. Oh, I got some coleslaw. I hope this coleslaw is good. It's actually kind of disappointing. I think it's because it's warm. This is my lighting in here. Let me see. Well, that is red. And all kinds of colors, so now we just got a strobe light going on in here. I think I was in the subway. And then I was like, that day when I got Chick-fil-A, I really wanted Raising Cain, so I was like, I'm gonna get what I was really wanting, which was Raising Cain. I gotta figure out what I'm cooking tonight, because I'm not thinking about that. I didn't think about it. So how have you guys been doing? It's finally trying to get warm outside. open this up. And the first thing that I see, only ordered, like I said, like 2 outfits. My baby's crying, so she'll probably be here soon. All right, like I'm excited. Hair and clothes that I ordered. Okay. I'm gonna try to be as careful as I can. Let me wipe off my hands with a paper towel. Okay, so I ordered this dress. Okay, it's got a zipper in the back. I am not your skinniest girl, so y'all. This is like all these are extra larges. I'm hoping I got the right size in the pants, because I ain't do no measuring. I guesstimated, and that's probably not the best thing to do. Okay. So now the shirt. Let me see y'all. I thought this would be cute. Got tissue in here? Anyway. Last but not least, I got some pants. So. And plus, it's supposed to be like stretchy fabric. Yeah, stretchy. Jeans. They got little white cotton strings on there, but the material feels great. Look at it. This bell bottom. So far, I am very, very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, because when I ordered this, and I was like, I'm guessing this is gonna be something like Wish, and I'm gonna wish that these clothes look good. But from the feeling it and the material and stuff so far, I like it. I like it. Y'all. I am not doing this again, guys. Because, like, I don't have scoliosis, but I have a slight curve in my back. This is uncomfortable.
And it tastes good. I'm talking about the Squidward.
Why did you do that? Stop. break my phone. Stop. Let's see why. Why would you do that? Y'all. I'm gonna try to stretch all the way over here. Now what? What you do to your sister? Then why she crying? You okay? Wipe your hands off. She looking at them lights turn colors. I see a lot of people are into this thing with Nicole, of course, and it's OnlyFans. Now, I done went to just about everybody's channel. Just about everybody. I haven't finished watching Lance, Scoop, whatever they call him. I haven't finished watching his, but I watched Be Love's Life. Then I watched Daddy Chum Chum, and I already had watched a little bit of Nicole, of course, but I didn't like watch all of hers. I just watched a little bit of hers, and when Daddy Chum Chum was talking about how she looked like she got dressed up for the video, I was like, you know what? Now that he mentioned it, she did look like she get kind of dressed up for the video. And I was down in the comments, and they were like, this is like a soap opera. And I was like, you know what? This is like a soap opera. I mean, I wonder if they kind of like planned this. Because if they did, it's like really, really cool because it is like soap opera. Girl, leave my stuff alone. It doesn't. Hurt to spice things up a little bit, especially if it's just something. Okay, something y'all doing anyway. You know, if it is, it is. If it's not, it's not. But we're just gonna see how this plays out. Because I was trying to see how this OnlyFans thing was gonna play out. Nicole, of course. You know, that's pretty much just like whatever. I still watch her channel. I still like her. Um, that's her. And you do what you want to do. Oh, my back hurt, y'all. I don't know why I said like this. And y'all just do what you want to do, you know? Like, this is my channel. I'm going to do what I want to do. But, but y'all, I ain't gonna even lie. I'm tired of doing my hair, so I'm gonna be right back in the box sprays. I think today I'm gonna wash. And yeah, try to start on it today. I'm trying to finish by tomorrow. But I'm not planning on doing them very big. My baby. I'm gonna let you know right now. Before I even put these outfits on, because pretty much like I said, it's too, because I got this dress anyway. I'll probably put on my corset. I probably will. But I got a belly on me. I had a belly on me to the point where I'm just be honest. People look at me and they think that I'm supposed to be like small. But so when they look at me and my stomach is sticking out, they like, you look like you're pregnant. No, not pregnant. I'm not gonna say what it is because when I was thinking about it, I was like, I shouldn't probably say that, but it's true. But anyway, I'm constipated. I'm bloated. I'm gonna say a lot more bloated. I retain a lot of hair. I might even have a gluten sensitivity. But with that being said, y'all, I am next month probably gonna do keto for 28 days. And I know I can do it. I know I can. So, it's gonna be fun. So, let me see if I can stay away from pasta. That mean potatoes too. Oh man, I want some potatoes. Potatoes. Not more keto is. I just gotta think of stuff I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go online on YouTube. Of course, and look for some not gluten free. Look for some keto friendly foods. And I don't, trust me, I probably do dirty keto. I'm not gonna eat all that stuff. You ate the what?
The Squidward.
What is the Squidward?
No. You talking about, what do you talk about again?
The chicken strip.
I did. I eat one and ate it all.
If I go in there and I find chicken strip in the trash can or in the sink or in your sister's plate, I'm gonna get you.
Well, I just ate it all.
You did? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You eat it with some sauce?
No, I don't like the sauce.
I don't even try sauce. The sauce is delicious.
Oh, Mama, my face looks like a little bit.
When I get finished eating, we're not eating doing this video. I'll get you some banana pudding. Girl, what is wrong with you? I'm done. So I was about to say, what's that noise? She in there playing Roblox. I know, y'all like, where's the baby? She's down here. How you gonna reappear like that? How you gonna do that? Why you do that? I'm like, the baby's here. The baby's here. Oh, my mom made me a beautiful basket. I already took it out though. She put me some Bath and Body Works. She even put me some immune system. You know what? I need to read it to see what it all does anyway. That, some Grey Goose, some watermelon basil, Grey Goose. Some summer Bath and Body Works. I don't know what it's called. My favorite one that she gave me was the Cozy Sunday Morning. Gosh, that smells great. Hey, y'all. The toast isn't as good as it used to be. It just isn't. Girl, what's wrong with you? Okay. We've been on 20 minutes now. So I'm coming to y'all with this banana pudding. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all this though. I got a lot. So I might get some of this to Iman. I don't think one to want any. But y'all look. It's creamy. It's got cream cheese in it. These butter chess cookies. And it's delicious. I think I made a little bit too sweet this time. I know why I did. Because my aunt was like, you need to make it sweeter. So I did. But I like mine on the mouse squeak side because I ain't gonna lie, I like to eat a lot of sugar, so I try sometimes to do it moderately. But she would like this one. I might have to save her some. That's good. What, baby? Do you want some? Yeah. And I put a whole bunch of cookies in here, like when it comes to the bananas, I don't like to put too much bananas because I'm not real big on bananas. But I did put a lot of cookies in here. And y'all, these cookies are so hard to find. So when I found them, I was so happy, especially when I found them at Big Lots. So you can return the outfits if you can't fit them. So what I'm going to do is at the very end of this video, I'm going to put in clips of me wearing these outfits. And if you can't come on video because these kids are in here, I just want you to like the video. Thumbs it up. My baby can't wait to get into this banana pudding. She call it banana peel. My back. Oh, my back.
And I ate another one.
You got your another. Oh, you did?
Luna ate it. Luna come at the tower and do that.
Wait a minute. You gave your food to the dog?
No.
I think you did.
No.
You know what? I would never thought about that. I never thought
I
about
leave
Luna.
my food there and then Luna take it and eat it.
Luna need to go outside.
Yeah, Luna's a bad puppy. Mommy, can we have some banana pudding?
No, hold on.
Can you get me
I'm
some?
gonna give you some of this one
This sounds tasty.
because I put a lot in this bowl.
Oh, it's delicious for you.
Well, it's delicious.
It's delicious, but you don't eat. She like,
Me, baby. No.
no.
It's a little irritating. Hey, she got little dinosaurs in her ears, y'all.
And I have
Gummy bears.
earrings. Look at it. It's too hard to see.
All right, Monty. You can have the rest of this banana pudding. Take it to the kitchen. But do not drop this bowl.
Okay. I will broke it.
Yeah, you'll break it.
We're too happy.
It's not heavy.
Well, feel it. But I'm eating it in here.
All right, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. You're going to see that clip at the end of the video.